Hello everyone, this is another video for IB Higher Level Maths. We're going to look at the derivative of an integral of e to the x. Now I think all of you already know that the derivative of an integral of e to the x is e to the x. But we're going to look at it as a power series. So we're looking at something kind of complex, but the answer is really simple. Hopefully this will help you understand some more complex concepts. Okay. So there we have our power series, e to the x. I'm not telling you where that comes from. That's something you can look up yourself. We're just going to use it. So e to the x as a power series is the sum of x to the n divided by n factorial. When we expand that out, we get this. Starting with x to the 0 is 1 over 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1, of course. Now we take this expansion, and it's easy to differentiate each of those things. Take the derivative. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of x is 1. And x over 1 factorial, 1 factorial is just a constant, so it just stays there. Same with this. X squared, derivative is 2x, but we've got it divided by 2 factorial, divided by 2 factorial, it's just a constant, etc. So you notice something here. 2 divided by 2 factorial, 3 divided by 3 factorial, 4 divided by 4 factorial. If you simplify that, you'll get 0, so that disappears. 1, and then x over 1 factorial, x squared over 2 factorial, x cubed over 3 factorial. This looks remarkably like this. Even though those first terms are actually different, they're actually the same. They're actually both equal to 1. So that verifies for us that the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. Very exciting. Okay, we're going to do the same thing with integrals. Start with our power series. Take the integral of each term. Integral of 1 is x. Integral of x is x squared. You've got x squared over 2, and you've got the 1 factorial there, so it's just a constant, so it stays. Derivative of x squared is, so integral of x squared is x cubed over 3, etc. If you look at that, well, 1x over 1, well, 1 is 1 factorial, 2 times 1 factorial is 2 factorial, 3 times 2 factorial is 3 factorial. So what we've got here is this part of the expansion of the power series. We're missing this first term. But what does that first term equal? First term equals 1. We can solve this really easily if we make our constant of integration. Instead of c, we'll make it 1 plus d. Then we can put a 1 at the front. Then we can put a 1 at the front, and it'll look exactly like that. And so we can say the integral of e to the x is e to the x plus a constant. That was very quick. You can watch the video again if you need to. But it's a simple concept. This is a simple example of a difficult concept. So hopefully this will help you with some other more difficult questions. Good luck.